Zimbabwe national industrialization policy, which is aligned to rural industrialization, and at the same time diversification, and a total shift in terms of movement from a primary commodity broking and trading architecture to an industrialization and growth strategy, which ensures that as a country in terms of the ecosystem, this secondary and tertiary industry supports the primary industry, which is based on the success of the land reform program. So with a production level of around 300 tons per day, this ensures that plus 1,000 employees are well taken care of in terms of employment, and also it feeds into other ecosystems. So I'll allow the executive here to elaborate on the technical details. But this also attests to the leadership that is provided by His Excellency the President, Dr. Mnangagwa. 3 years ago, he led the groundbreaking ceremony, and now we have a plus $70 million empire, which speaks to the Zimbabwe industrial growth strategy and the local coding strategy, which has ensured that we produce our own goods and that we are masters of our destiny. It was commissioned by His Excellency Dr. Mnangagwa in order to capacitate the processing of timber, and also for secondary, and also tertiary of the local coding strategy, which has ensured that we capacitate in terms of production, and at the same time we domesticate our value chains within Zimbabwe. And the domestication of value chains is also ensured that we support manufacturing in terms of employment, and at the same time in terms of downstream and upstream in terms of the jobs. But at the same time, an increase in terms of jobs. The category from primary to secondary and also tertiary industry. So all this is mainly because of the new dispensation, which has created a political investment climate, and also which has also created a platform which allows the growth of local economy, thereby ensuring that we have a favorable balance in terms of production, and also it also reflects that by supporting and capacitating the domestication of value chains, it ensures that we increase our jobs. We also support the rest of the industrial ecosystem, because the previous setup has ensured that Zimbabwe is a vast timber production is really important a lot of the timber, but through the recapitalization through the Belarusian initiative, working together with other international equipment manufacturers, Germans, this capacitation has increased the production, thereby ensuring that in terms of the timber value process, Zimbabwe trade balance is in the positive. Thank you.
We are talking about the industries like where we are here. As Manicaland, this is one of our flagship companies, the industries, where we are happy that our GDP is always enhanced and taken up by such companies. We are happy that the new dispensation, heavily led by Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, has created an environment where investors they come in and be able to get their return on investment, because with the land reform program, particularly here in Manicaland, we have been producing well to allow our industries then to be able to have the raw materials to make production. We have produced in Manicaland 45,000 metric tons of wheat, and this is a wheat milling company, as you've heard, which is milling 300 100 tons per day, and we made sure that waste is channeled to this plant, and the production, as we can all see, is what we all yearn for. We only have our leader, Dr. Emmerson and his new dispensation to thank, because we have such other industries that are doing value addition in Manicaland all over to do with our fruits, to do with our timber, and at the end of the day, we are expecting the economy of Manicaland to boom and to continue to grow from strength to strength. Revolution is a new thing that was brought in by the Second Republic, led by Dr. Emmerson and Mnangagwa. When we talk about devolution and decentralization, we are talking about the centralization of activities and powers that normally were being done in central government and are now going to be done at the provincial level. To achieve this, you need infrastructure, and the infrastructure must be such that it goes hand in hand with the new way of doing things, the smart city concept, the availability of facilities that will help the people that receive the service. People must receive the service in comfortable conditions. This is what we have here. We thank the President, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, for his vision, Vision 2030, which is a vision, a blueprint that is easy for everyone to follow, and we can all see where we are going. Here we are looking at a situation where our people from Manicaland are now going to be saved and saved well. The issue of getting registration certificates and passports is the issue that affects everyone. Every person needs a birth certificate, and a number of us all need passports. Those can only be easy if the conditions and the places where you receive them are such as we have here. So as Manicaland, we are now saying Manicaland is on the rebound. Infrastructure, we have other buildings, we have other projects to do with infrastructure development that are coming, that are taking place. Our roads are have been revamped. I can tell you that in June last year we declared a pothole-free Manicaland highway. You saw a solar field there. That solar field is producing 140 kilowatts. This is a project that is being run by our government, ably led by Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa. We have that project there at the General Hospital. We have another one at Mtambara. We have another one at Wakwata, where we have 200 kilowatts. At Mtambara, it's 150 kilowatts. All our hospitals, district hospitals and major hospitals, are on 40 kilowatts solar powered. The clinics we have, which I said were 214, about 81 of them are on 5 kilowatts. And this is something that is making us proud, because we have to supplement so that at least our president's vision is not disturbed by the issue of electricity, and the health of a person depends on conditions where, for example, as we've earlier on noticed, been saying, where medication is kept, where they sleep, theaters, they all need to be electrified, and the electricity must be on 24/7. This is what we are happy about here in Manicaland as we move in strides towards Vision 2030. I thank you.
Then part of my products we then sell direct to my
So all that timber, you know, the Buddha and all that chocolate, we take the compounds apart. They have it as value. We are now able to value the product. Don't guys will show this. So the first process, we receive our timber, we take the soroko, then you grade the timber, you use some machine and you throw. Then from there, this is our first processing for now, you know, finger joining. Like finger joining, the technique in the world, you know that our profiles are permanent materials. Then we join, then we can do it. Yeah, we can get to it.
Further to the Minister, we produce 9,000 tons of wheat a month here in Australia. That provides farmers in this whole area an opportunity to supply wheat to the plant. I can confirm that our capacity is above the wheat produced in the entire region. So no farmer should go without selling the wheat. And we also support value chains through the supply of the byproduct of the milling process, also bran. We also provide bran that provides feed for all the cattle and chicken and other animal industries. We can confirm as well that we're supporting a lot of smaller bakeries as well, providing a high quality flour. This will support employment creation down the value chain, the bakery value chain. We would like to thank His Excellency and the government for providing us with an enabling environment for us to be able to produce. And we can confirm and can commit that we will continue to ensure both the availability of food and affordability of food as well in the country. We also commit to continue investing in the economy and continuing to add products to our basket to ensure it's in line with government's thrust of food substitution and value addition.
Thank you so much. The change is very visible. You can see it with our President's Mandela Vision 2030. We are going to be operating from a modern building, unlike the wooden ones that we used to have, which are behind you. You can just look back and see how they are and see the improvement that we now have. We are now moving with the modern time, and we are now moving with the President's mantra, Vision 2030, that no place and no one is left with their feet. And we have been remembered as a department. And we have been remembered as Manicaland Province, operating better offices. Thank you. As I was speaking to the conductor, unfortunately I don't know where he has gone. He was supposed to be here to say it from his own mouth, but they are saying this first quarter it should be complete. Thank you.